Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Lemon Squad's Smackshaft from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the hat. We'll start with a curve across and a curve underneath for the brim of the hat. Now from both ends, let's draw a line up and a curve across the top. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side of the brim and let's draw a circular curve down and back up to the other side. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. At the top, let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now for the mouth, let's draw a curve across under the eyes. And then a long curve down and up. And one more curve inside like this. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the hair. Let's start on the top and let's draw a curve out and curve it in underneath. And the same on the other side. Now let's draw another point underneath. And then one more back to the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. We'll start with two lines down underneath the head for the neck. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's draw a curve out on each side for the shoulders. And add a circle at the ends. Now to continue the torso, underneath the circles, let's curve it in. Then let's curve it back out underneath. And a curve across the bottom. And lastly for the torso here, let's draw 3 circles down the center. Next, let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 long lines down underneath in the center. And then hop out and let's draw 2 angled curves. And close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve across. Now for the feet, let's draw a line down in the center here. Curve it out and down for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Next, we're going to hop back up and draw the arms. Underneath the shoulders, let's draw a curve down on each side. Then let's hop in and let's draw a small line down from the top. Now let's curve it towards the legs and back out. And then close off the bottom of each arm. Now top underneath, and let's draw a curve down and back up underneath each side. And then underneath for the hands, let's draw a bump down and up. And add a small curve on top. Now top back up to the sleeve, and let's draw a curve down. And curve it back in and up underneath. And then let's add 2 curves inside for the fingers. And that's it for the body. Next, let's add the weapon on the back. Let's start on top of each shoulder, and let's draw a curve out. And then bring it down. And then underneath the armpits here, let's draw a line across on each side for the bottom. And then inside, let's draw one more curve on each side here. Next, let's draw the hose coming out on the left side. Let's draw 2 curves down to the arm. Then continue it on the other side between the arm and the leg. And then on the bottom, let's bring it out and curve it back in like this. And then close off the end with a curve. Now inside the hose, let's draw some curved stripes. Now at the bottom, let's add the pump. Let's draw an oval shaped curve around like this. And then inside, let's add another curve where the hose attaches. Now from the right, let's draw a curve down and bring it back in at the bottom. And then let's add some curves inside. And that's it for Smackshaft. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!